Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. I just got to my Aunt Angela's house. I'm gonna go on sleigh rides. And this right here is my new cousin Levi. Alright, we're in the sleigh, we're ready to go. Are you having fun? Sleigh rides are so much fun. Such a fun way to spend New Year's Eve. Gonna head back to the house soon and get ready for our New Year's Eve party. We're gonna light off fireworks a little later tonight, so I'm looking forward to that. Alright, we just got done with the hay rides. Now we're on our way to the sledding hill. Gonna go build a nice jump and then launch off of it. We're back to the house. Sledding was a blast. New Year's Eve party is starting. We've got a big bonfire lit. We're gonna head up there, eat some food, eat some good snacks, and then later we're gonna light off the fireworks. getting the fireworks ready. We're about ready to light them all off and put on a show. Now my dad's idea is to put 2 Roman candles on my drone, and then I'm gonna chase my little brother with it and see if I can peg him. All right, we've got both Roman candles on there. We're gonna see what happens. While we're waiting until midnight, we're just playing a little bit of poker. Alright, it's 5 till midnight. We're pouring the champagne, and it's time to toast in 2017.
Well, we have 2 minutes to open this champagne. It's so really exciting. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy New Year!
I mean, you don't want to fill it up. Come on.
Happy New Year! Salud. Well, Happy New Year's, everyone. So we lit off our fireworks at around 8 o'clock, so then at midnight we could look out over our horizon and see all the other fireworks going out. Thanks for watching my video, everyone, and cheers to 2017.